10-4 on that gamma mask giving you a fit. Well, that driver's working. I'm just waving and out of your way. I'll see you.
Hello, Witch Doctor 4300 looking. Hey, Witch Doctor 4300 looking, breaker.
It don't make me no never.
10-4, 10-4, 10-4. Well, that radio sounds good too, man. Hey, 270, I'm back listening to you. 7-7 gone.
Magnolia, that man, those things, Mobile Baylor.
8406, I'm gonna ride his guy on BBC.
Well, Doc, you sounding good coming out there. He's got it going on in these icy cold. 125, so you got a main sound coming downtown.
Give that Mobile a break, yeah, man, that's keep talking 4x4. Take care, man. Good to talk to you. 7-7 go. Yeah, I'm trying a little bit of something different with my audio, man. I don't know if it's better or worse, but I don't mean to ask for no check, but I hope it sounded all right. Take care,
13 wind chill, might be 13 degrees, I don't know. Hello, Clarence Carter, if I can wave my hand.
I got it rolling on the gate. Hey, 7-7, I got it rolling on the gate. You'll get to hear it.
Yeah, hello, Squeaker. I try not to mess with stuff too much, but I thought I would try this and see how it worked out. Man, it's still morning in your neck of the woods. Hello to you, Squeaker. You sounding good over here yourself. 7-7 gone.
Well, I appreciate it. You'll get to hear how crowded it got when I unkeyed, no doubt about it. But anyway, you're definitely sounding good. Sound good as usual. Hey, 7-7, top of the morning. I'll say hello, but I don't know if I'll be able to hear when I unkey. Take care, be good. I'll see you.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Yeah, I was just trying some different stuff. I don't know. Hello, Squeaker. Hermes, I know that's what you own.
I'm gonna put T-Bird, young T-Bird in jail. Hey, 406, 54 in Alabama, I'm gonna put young T-Bird in jail.
I hope you unkeyed. I got Alabama and I got Tennessee in there, and they just bumbled it all up. So I'll get out of the middle of the road so I don't mess with them either. Hey, 7-7, you take care. Yep, I'm on this little bitty Hermes, and I'm trying out a new foot switch for my JB 150 so I don't have that thunking noise when I key it on up. Anyway, you take care, be good, and I'll catch you the next time. 777, I'm stepping on down.
We got me.
If I didn't make it in there, big boys with no roads, it's my
No copy, no contact. Squeaker, no copy. Squeaker on the west side. There ain't one out here. No copy. Worldwide Squeaker. Hey, Midnight Cowboy, could old wind jump in the Magnolia slide and never see for a second? Hey, Midnight Cowboy, could old wind jump in the Magnolia slide and never see for a second? Cowboy, wind jumper, the old man in Mississippi, brother. Hello, King 270. Hello, King 2705. Where you go, King 1. Alright, go Windjammer, got none down there in the Magnolia. Windjammer in the Magnolia, I'm stepping like I stepped in. Brother.
I think you said, I didn't know if you said your son worked on it or who it was.
See car 4300 back out.
What you waiting on?
Hey, Midnight Cowboy, you still talking? I'm just sitting back, man. Hey, Midnight Cowboy, Young T-Bird, say you still talking? I'm just sitting back.
Take it out, man. You're on the wrong place, man. I gotta come back on the radio now. Hey, 270, man, that little driver working. Even though you're in limp mode, man.
Hey, clear the sky, 125, where they man? Hey, clear the sky. Hey, the bull, clear the sky, 125. Hey, clear the sky, 125. Hey, Clarence Carter, 125, Great Lakes getting out.
That young G-man. Tell that Captain he had me rolling up.
No rise and no get back on that Midnight Cowboy, 4300 back wide. Hey, 27054 in Alabama got down. Hey, Clarence Carter, you say you find Mr. Daddy. Hey, Clarence Carter, 125. Say you say you find Mr. Daddy. Hello, Clarence Carter, you
I'll say good afternoon if I can get my foot in there. Top of the day to you. Hey, 5-4 in Alabama, old squeaker out west is gone.
Hello, right back to you, squeaker. Hey, squeaker, 5-4 in Alabama, right back, come on.
Boy, I tell you what, it's a mess out here. It's a mess. So you come in and you're stronger than the Dickens and then it fades back out every time I unkey. I'm going to have to do something about that. Anyway, take care. Be good. Hey, 5-4, I just wanted to say hello. I knew it was going to be quick. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. See you later there, 5-4. I heard Fisher in Tennessee come in there, too. That's the way Mother Nature's rolling. Every time I unkey, I got somebody different. But hey, Fisher, top of the afternoon to you also. I hear you rolling out through the West Coast.
Squeaker on the coast, Fisher in Memphis, Tennessee, working these old 500Zs. Get on down.
Well, those 500Zs are definitely rocking the mail. Ain't no doubt about that. Alrighty, you take care. Be good. I'll get back out of here and listen. It's really crowded, man. I got the lakes all the way down to Texas and all the way to the East Coast. So I got them all. They're all hollering at the same time. Fisher, you be good. I'll see you later. Me and my small station on the center of the coast of Cal got on down.
Boy, this squeaker, you got it. Hello, Clarence C. Carter. Hello, Doc Adams, young T-Bird, and our co-shivering Great Lakes is getting out. Yeah, hello, right back to 70 on call you a while ago, man. My mother, they were all over the place. It was real rough. I guess you couldn't hear me. Hey, 270, I was trying to call you a while ago, Camille, while you were working at old school Cobra 2000.
Make sure you tell them two fuddy-duddies up there in the northwest corner. Old Squeaker waved at them there, and I'm gone.
I believe I lost Mother Nature with him. Oh, Doc Adams, I still got some Mother Nature with him. Hey, Squeaker, you want me to let those guys in the northwest corner? You didn't know you say hello, howdy doody. Hello, Squeaker? Young T-Bird on this Cobra getting out.
That's them two fuddy-duddies. The Super Bowl cleaner and Mr. Doc Adams himself. Hey, top of the day to you. Hey, we'll get out of the way. Young T, I'll see you later. I'm just reading the mail.
Boy, you sound good as always, too, Squeaker. Hey, Squeaker, you got a real good sounding station, my brother. Keep on, keep on. To the weekend, I hope it be real productive. Hello, Squeaker. Young T-Bird and a cold shivering Great Lakes is getting on down.
Well, I appreciate the flowers. I appreciate the flowers. Just don't throw no fertilizer on it. Make them grow any better. Hey, you sound good, too. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
You talking about fertilizer, you better watch none of them guys don't take a poop. Hey, Squeaker, you talking about fertilizer, you better watch none of them guys don't take a poop the way you beating the shit out of them. Take care of the Squeaker, I see you. It sounds good.
Oh, man, don't tell him that. Don't tell him that. See you later. Bye.
Oh, Cheyenne, Georgia, right back. Goddamn, you're going to kill keys out always good to hear from you. You up on kill the keys out and blew my ear. I think you tried to do that intentionally. I think you trying to aggravate me or get my attention. Hey, take care of 270 while you work your base station. I think though you up on kill trying to agitate me or get my damn attention or something. No doubt about it. 270-5, pull back out. More shiny with the weekend wave, get down. I appreciate you rolling it like I told you. Hey, Clarence Carter, I'm a small station, but I got a big reputation. Hey, Clarence C. Carter, I'm a small station, but I got a big old reputation on the Hey, you didn't ask for no break, I'm young. Well, if you heard me, I know you're trying to agitate me. You can say what you want, nigga. You can say what you want. You just want to agitate me. You want to get my attention. You heard me talking. You couldn't wait till I got through. You couldn't wait till I got through. You just want to agitate me. I ain't fooling with you, bye.
I had to turn this 10-bean driver down.
I told you you're going to get that man killed. Hey, I ain't fooling with you, bye. Yeah, you can. I'm done talking now. You can talk to him. I'm done talking. You can talk to him now. I'm done talking. I ain't getting no more. I just cleared out. I'm leaving them alone. I just cleared out. Hey, 406. I'm gonna get out of his way and clear out. Cause he ain't got nothing coming. I'm 10-7. Good day.